Hey, there you guys are. How are you doing? Whoops. Probably better take these out because these aren't allowed at the fun run today, so please keep them in your lockers or with your personal belongings. But I want to talk to you a little bit today, since today is the fun run, about some expectations of you during the fun run, and more importantly, how's this whole thing going to go down? So let's just jump right into it. First off, you're going to get a wristband. The wristband you're going to secure around your wrist today. It's going to be colored. So if you have a red wristband, as you're doing laps, you're going to go through a red marking area. Just go over to the teacher that has the same colored wristband of you, and they're going to put a mark on your wristband. That signifies how many laps you take. And every lap you take is worth 1/4 of a mile towards our goal. So if you weren't able to raise any money, that's okay. You can still earn class competition points by doing as many laps as you can. I encourage you to do so. And the person from each class that gets the most laps is going to get a Gatorade at the end of the day too. So that's something to look forward to. Win-win. Okay, so let's talk about expectations during the fun run. First off, SALK behavior expectations for the halls isn't too different from what we expect of you on the fun run. For example, running in general is allowed at the fun run, but not in the hallways. However, running is not a contact sport, so please keep your body to yourself. Don't be pushing, grabbing, anything like that. It might seem like a good idea, but when you have a whole bunch of people running, it's not really that safe. So please don't do that behavior. Language, as well as headphones, cell phones, should be kept in your personal belongings. Don't need to be out the fun run because those just cause distractions and problems that can happen too. So please don't do that. The next thing I want to talk to you about is etiquette while running. Okay, on the course there's going to be a left side and a right side. They're not clearly marked, but you guys can tell the difference between right and left. Well, if you're walking because you're tired, please stay on the left side of the course and let the runners stay on the right side and running around. That'll just keep a better flow. The last thing I want to talk to you about is the water station. The water station is not a lingering station. It's you got to leave the course to get to it. So just leave the course, walk by, grab your cup of water, drink it, and throw the cup away. Okay, please don't litter on the field. Grab the cups, get them as close to the garbage cans as you possibly can. It'll just make everything go smoother. If we do those things, it's going to be a very successful fun run. And then when the fun run's over, you're going to go back to your class, remove your wristband, and give them back to your first period teacher, who's going to put them back in the Ziploc to be returned to us on Monday during our ASB rep meeting. However, in the meantime, from the end of the fun run to now, it's still time we can fundraise. Fundraising ends officially on Tuesday morning when the bell rings, okay? So you can either get online donations at ops.spokaneschools.org/light, or you can go out and get in-person donations still. Let's really get a push. We're only a little bit over 1/3 of the way to the goal, which means we have a lot of ground to make up. I know we can do it, SALK, but it takes your commitment and it takes our commitment together as a community to get this kind of thing done. I really look forward to an excellent fun run today. I hope you dressed warm like I did, because it might be a little chilly, but let's just make this a wonderful, fun event. Thank you for your time. Again, in review, we are going to be respectful out there. We are going to work hard and run hard, and we're going to have a nice, smooth event all around. Thank you for your time, and can't wait to see you guys out there this afternoon.